all the stakeholders here present, all invited guests, all the people who have shown so much support for the Political Commission. I welcome you once again to this occasion. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to yet another meeting of the stakeholders of the Labour Party. I must say that this is an epochal moment for all members, followers, lovers, and admirers of the Labour Party as we make very sure and steady progress towards recovering, repositioning, and reconciling the Labour Party to the founding ethos of its founding fathers and mothers. This meeting is in furtherance of our resolutions at the inaugural stakeholders meeting, which took place on the 8th of April 2024 here in Abuja. Those resolutions, in more concrete terms, were geared towards achieving the following objectives. 1, to fill the leadership vacuum in the Labour Party following the expiration of the supposed tenure of the immediate past National Working Committee of the Labour Party. 2, to support the initiatives and efforts of the Nigerian Labour Congress through her Political Commission as the only body recognized by the Constitution of the Labour Party and Justice Kolawale's consent judgment to act as trustee in a situation of leadership vacuum as is currently the case in the Labour Party. 3, to redeem the image of the Labour Party from the gross financial rascality foisted on the party by the immediate past National Working Committee of the party by auditing the accounts of the party and bringing to book those who have mismanaged funds belonging to the Labour Party. 4, to evolve the process of holding an all-inclusive and national expansive convention of the Labour Party. Pursuant to this, today, we need to fulfill our commitments to this irreducible minimum. 1, we will have to constitute a national convention committee that will organize congresses for the Labour Party from the world to the local government, to the states, and to the national level. Subsequently, we expect similar planning committees at the states and local government levels across the Federation. 2, we begin the process of mass mobilization of members into the Labour Party and revalidation of existing members of the Labour Party across the country in preparation for an all-inclusive and expansive congresses and national convention of the Labour Party. 3, we will take on board other core party processes, including reviewing the 2009 Constitution and Manifesto of the Labour Party. Number 4, we will fully take over the secretariats of the Labour Party all over Nigeria. Take steps to recover all the properties of the Labour Party and pursue the prosecution of members of the immediate past National Working Committee of the party who mismanaged their office and the confidence of members of the Labour Party. Number 5, we ensure the seamless contact and communication with the Independent National Electoral Commission and all the relevant security organizations in Nigeria on the current development and efforts towards executing the court judgment and INEC-mediated agreements for an all-inclusive and expansive national convention of the Labour Party. Congress, devoted party members, ladies and gentlemen, I must restate that our collective will to reposition Labour Party is not born out of any ill will or personal vendetta, but inspired by a sense of patriotism and service to the Nigerian workers and people. We owe our compatriots the duty of building for them, even if it's from the ashes, a political party which reflects the aspirations and dreams of the long-suffering masses of Nigeria who desire and deserve an egalitarian society that works for all. We cannot afford to shirk from this duty. Finally, comrades and patriots, We must not allow ourselves to be distracted by the whimpering boos of those who manipulate appearances to sell a dummy to the public. We must maintain our focus on the duty of rebuilding a Labour Party that is true to its ideology and commitment to probity, accountability, and good governance. This is to the intent of transforming the Labour Party from a mere transactional vehicle for election contestation to an issue-based political party that carries the burden and aspirations of Nigerians, irrespective of tribe, creed, or tongue. The overwhelming support we have been getting from Nigerians at home and in diaspora assures us that our motive is pure, our mission is divine, and our milestones in history assured. The only path available to us is forward ever, backward never. A people united can never be defeated. Thank you, and God bless you. I read this on behalf of